going to make this spiel a little bit quick because I just really want to get into this video, man. It's been a very crazy 24 hours, pretty much, man. And it's been nonstop free fall. Almost the whole market looked like a rug pull yesterday, man. And things are starting to recover, but this is your boy Crypto Flex, the Usher Crypto. Yeah, man. In this video, I want to be talking about Pepe. I want to be talking about other cryptos as well, and tell you what the whales are looking to buy now that the market has did a crazy dip, the biggest dip and the biggest crash I've seen in crypto history. And I've been through all of the ones that just really was crazy. FTX. I've been through the Terra Luna Classic collapse with the whole Anchor protocol. I've been through all the big ones, the boogeyman, and the newest boogeyman is what I'm going to be telling you about with the tariffs. But if you're new to the channel, do me a favor and help my channel out by hitting the subscribe button, hitting the notification bell. Also, like and share this video on all your social medias, as well as follow me, your boy Crypto Flex, the Usher Crypto on X. My link is going to be in my description below. Leave a comment down below. Let me know how are you feeling. I know this is not a good time to be talking about, oh man, good things, but I can tell you some good things I'm gonna share with you in this video that was a pretty much a blessing in disguise. But I'm gonna share that with you in this video. But let me know your thoughts below. How are you feeling? I want to hear from the audience. How do y'all feel about what just happened yesterday, man? I know we are having the momentum of the world and then it was just ripped from underneath us. But I want to know in the comment section. Also, remember, none of this information is financial advice. Do your own research. So, just to get back into where I want to talk about, let me just dive right into it. Um, Take that off. So, this was the boogeyman. This was the news that shocked everybody and spooked the whole market, stock market, everything dumped to all-time lows. It was the biggest crypto crash in history. Stock markets went low. A lot of liquidations went on because of Trump. Went out on public and said Trump said he's going to put an extra 100% tariff on China imports and adds export controls on critical software. So Trump, I know back when he started this tariff war, pretty much, they always say stuff and then they always negotiate something. So this to me seems like a scare tactic. This was to me seems like it was purposely done so retail can really get into the crypto market. I know it. I feel it. I feel like this is all manipulation going on in here. I feel like this was a chance to spook the market, and that news there was enough news to spook the market and get everybody like the big whale investors to liquidate their positions and retail investors to liquidate their positions. A lot of people got wrecked, but this is also not something that I would complain about. Of course, yeah, everybody's portfolios are down, but this was an opportunity to kind of re um get back and rewind back until 2022 when everything like FTX went down. That was a time to get back into those times where prices were lower. So it gave you an opportunity. I don't know, people were out there if you had money on the side to buy the dip. To me, I bought some of my favorite dips. I got some XRP, got more of that. I got some more Solana. I got some BNB. Of course, I got in more Bitcoin. I have enough Bitcoin to me. I feel like I do, and I got more Pepe. So Pepe sits right now based off of the crash. It didn't drop that much. I mean, it was scary drop when I seen my portfolio and I got alerts on my portfolio and I'm like, man, what the hell? What's going on? Because it first alerted me to Pepe. And then I looked at the rest of the market. I'm like, oh, holy crap, man. The whole market, it looks like a big rug pull. Pepe dropped down to almost 60% down and it went very low. And it was very scary at the moment. But at the same time, I stuck to my guns. I said, man, I know this is just a scare tactic. when I heard what crashed the market and Trump saying that he's going to put 100% tariffs on China is what spooked the market. And I know it was a tactic, man, but I seized the opportunity and I added to my position on Pepe. Pepe now sits at a 0.507052. Recovering, man, we got to as low as looks like I believe point. Come on, get on here. Looks like to be a point 0.50 for the 4.6 level, probably a little lower than that. But we recovered pretty nicely, and a lot of whales are buying Pepe right now, and it's pretty much a person's dream to get into Pepe. I will always think about back in the day, like, man, I wish I could go back in time to where Pepe was lowered. I could add even more Pepe to my position. And then yesterday was the time. Yesterday was the time. It's still good time to add more Pepe to your position, not financial advice. But man, I feel now that this is the shakeout before the breakout. I see that this was a very catastrophic event that happened in crypto. A lot of people got wrecked, a lot of people lost money, but this is also an opportunity to get into these dips. This is an opportunity to increase your positions on some of your favorite projects. And my one of my favorite projects to me, Pepe, is chosen meme. We seen Pepe dip low. We seen Pepe go to low $2 billion market cap, then it reclaimed a $3 billion market cap. So we're down a little bit over $1 billion in price right now in market cap size, because Pepe, before it dipped down to those low levels, it was at a $4 billion market cap. So we're just pretty much a little bit over $1 billion of losses right now. But I think, to me, I feel it in my hearts of hearts that this is just a shakeout before the breakout. I feel like this pump is going to be monstrous, and this allowed a lot of the institutional money to get in, the bigger money that's bigger than you and I, to get in and buy up a lot of positions in like projects like Pepe, projects like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, XRP, that allowed them to get into these positions and secure themselves, because this pump is going to be monstrous. And let me tell you, folks, when I keep referencing back to 2021, this is not going to have nothing to do with 2021. It's going to be a bigger pump than you ever seen before if you were in that last bull cycle. Shout out to people that commented on my last video. Some people has been in it for 3 bull cycles. You know, I've been in this crypto market for, this is my second bull cycle. So shout out to one of my viewers saying this was his third bull cycle. So we know what's going to happen, man. We know what's going to happen, and we know that manipulation is taking place, and we know that these these insider traders they liquidated just in time before the big news was released by Trump. Now they're going to buy back at a low price and just secure themselves a bigger position than what they had before. But let's look and see some of the other things that went on with other projects. Dogecoin was at 20 like 7 cents, dipped down to 19 cent. Shiba Inu took a big wreck. Shiba Inu was down. Everything's recovering, man. Everything's recovering pretty good. Uh, Dogecoin is down for the 7-day chart, 22%. Shiba Inu down 16%. Pepe is down 26%. However, Pepe has been bought up more by the whales. The whales are buying more Pepe than they're buying Shiba Inu. And I have both tokens. So I have pretty much around, I got more now Pepe than I do Shiba Inu now, courtesy of that dip yesterday. But I still think Pepe is going to be the chosen mean, and we're seeing Pepe at almost $3 billion market cap. I still predict, and I don't have the crystal ball in my hand, but I still predict Pepe is going to be maybe first of all the means, even passing Dogecoin, or maybe be underneath Dogecoin. But I know it's going to pass Shiba Inu for sure because of popularity, because of the whales. Whale investors are buying up Pepe, so don't get scared, don't get shaken out of your bags. This is something, if you are a newbie in crypto, you'll be scared right now. You'll be petrified. Man, I lost a lot of my money. And you'll be trying to sell at a loss, but don't, it's not financial advice. You can do what you like, but I've done that before. When I was a newbie in crypto, I would get scared. I see people selling, so I would sell my bags. But now I just stay on the sidelines with money in hand and buy these dips, because I know that these prices, especially of a legit solid project like Pepe, is going to go back up and reach all-time highs and crush all-time highs. I still believe in this bull cycle peak that Pepe is going to go to a 70 to a $100 billion market cap in this bull cycle, and money can flow quick. So don't think that money is not out there. Money can flow quick in projects, and you just got to keep on having uh, your mental in this crypto game intact, because things could happen like this, and if you're not prepared, you can be mentally drained, and then also you'll be losing your mind. I mean, you'll be losing your mind when you see your portfolio go down. So this pretty much all I have for this video. I just wanted to just make sure everybody was good, man. Everybody was good out there. um I mean, the biggest crypto crash I've ever seen, and the biggest crypto crash in history, but we will bounce back. Pepe will bounce back, and a lot of our other projects in the space, a lot of meme coins, altcoins will bounce back. So just be ready, and just be aware, and have your guards up, because something like this can happen again. And we know that this is all a premeditated, and it's a insider traders job when they put that out, because this was something that was purposely done to spook the market so people can buy up more of the supply. But this is all I have for this video, folks. This is your boy Crypto Flex, the Usher Crypto. Do me a favor, if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, like and share this video on all your social medias, as well as follow me, your boy Crypto Flex, the Usher Crypto, on X. My link is going to be in my description below. Leave comments down below. Let me know, audience, what y'all feel, how y'all feeling about this. Did y'all get some of these dips, or are you selling? Let me know in the comment section below. I'm not selling. I'm holding and buying dips, and I'm just getting ready, because it's going to go back up. It's going to go back up sooner than later. And we have a lot of other things coming for the market, but I think this is all just a scare tactic, just to spook the markets, to lower them, so institutional money can get in at a lower price. But this is your boy Crypto Flex, the Usher Crypto. Stay bullish. Yeah, man. Peace.